Hi guys, so today we are embarking on a culinary journey to the royal kitchen of Hyderabad to uncover the secret of truly majestic dish Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. This isn't just a biryani, it's an experience. Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is a masterpiece of slow cooking where succulent meat and aromatic rice are layered and cooked to perfection in a sealed pot, allowing the flavors to meld into the symphony of taste. Get ready to witness the magic of dum cooking. We'll be using a traditional method of slow cooking over low heat, which is what gives Hyderabadi Dum Biryani its signature tenderness, aroma, and depth of flavor. This recipe is fit for royalty, and I'm excited to share this recipe with you. So gather your ingredients, prepare to be patient, and let's create a Hyderabadi Dum Biryani that will transport you to a royal feast. So now let's begin. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 6 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 5 cloves. Add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for 30 minutes. Add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 70% cooked. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 70% now. Then simply strain the rice. Then take 600 grams chicken cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, 6 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 3-inch cinnamon stick, 2 green chilies chopped, half cup yogurt, 1 cup fried onion, half cup mint leaves chopped, half cup coriander leaves chopped, 2 stock cubes, half cup cooking oil, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add the marinated chicken. And simply add the cooked rice. And spread it nicely. Then add some chopped mint leaves. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Add handful of fried onion. 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Half cup saffron milk, then simply cover it with silver foil. Then cover it and cook for about 40 minutes on a low flame. So the Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is ready. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked and it has got a perfect dum for the biryani. And there you have it guys, a truly majestic Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. I hope you enjoyed experiencing this royal dish with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more authentic recipes. I hope you savor every bite of this Hyderabadi Dum Biryani as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. It's a labor of love, but the results are truly fit for a king. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this culinary gem with your loved ones. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.